Heavy duty. Designed for bookshelf speakers weighing up to 55 lbs. Adjustable. Clamp fits speakers from 135 mm, 5.3, to 280 mm 11 wide. Precise positioning. Mounts will tilt 7 degrees up or down and swivel up to 180 degrees for perfect speaker placement and acoustics. Easy installation with mounting hardware included. Includes hardware necessary to easily mount into stud, concrete, brick, stone walls. Wall cover included for professional-looking installation. Top reviews from the United States. Did a bunch of research on these before I picked these mounts and glad I did. They are real sturdy. I mounted my Klipsch RP-160Ms as rear surrounds on them. They're pretty heavy. I believe at 22 pounds. I was concerned that with all the bass I have shaking my walls from the 15-inch sub that some cheap mounts may fail. I don't think that will be a problem with these. There's 3 screws that you can actually drill about 1/4 inch into your speaker for extra security. I did use those despite being hesitant to damage my speaker case. But I figured better safe than it falling 7 feet onto my hardwood floors. You can get the clamp pretty tight to hold them. But I just wanted that added protection with the screws, especially with the few degree tilt. They look nice on the wall, come with a cover to hide hardware, cap to hide the bottom bolt. These are high-quality mounts and I would recommend.